To troubleshoot Trust Wallet login issues, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials, including your username and password. Double-check that your caps lock is turned off, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you are still having trouble, try restarting the Trust Wallet app. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. Additionally, make sure your app is up to date, as outdated versions may cause login problems. You can check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Another common issue is a forgotten password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Follow the prompts to reset your password and try logging in again. It is also important to be aware of phishing attempts. Never click on links or provide your login credentials to suspicious websites or emails. Trust Wallet will never ask you to provide your private keys or login credentials via email or text message. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Trust Wallet app. This will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the login problem. After reinstalling, try logging in again with your correct credentials. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Trust Wallet support directly. They can provide you with personalized assistance and help you resolve the problem. Remember to always prioritize your account security and never share your login credentials with anyone. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any Trust Wallet login issues.